good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all already know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, checking me out. You know what I mean? And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos. I'm telling you, man, you won't be disappointed. Come through, holla at me, man. Check it out. Dope recipes, freestyle cooking with Streets. Let's do it. Alright? So today, y'all, I was working on a menu, and it was one recipe I was putting together. I figured I'd bring y'all in to share with y'all, okay? So this recipe I'm doing a hanger steak, a sous vide hanger steak meal with some veggies. And anytime I'm in the mix of doing something, I'm like, man, I got to share this with my people. I got to share this with the squad, that my subscribers, the people that come through and holler at me, man. I got to share this, man, because I don't want y'all to miss nothing that I could put you on, all right? So we doing the hanger steak. I got it in the sous vide bath right now, you know, ready to come out. But I'm actually going to make a sauce to go over top of my steak. So I figured I'd bring y'all in on that. You know what I mean? Okay. So on the board, I got a few ingredients of what I need. It's a real simple sauce. Nothing crazy. I got some garlic. I got some onions. I got me some Worcestershire sauce. You know, that's about 3 tablespoons. I got me some soy sauce, about a tablespoon. I got me a half a cup of ketchup. I got 2 tablespoons of some Dijon mustard, and I'm using a whole grain mustard. Okay, got me about a teaspoon of honey, and I also got about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Right, putting together a real smooth sauce, man. We about to get it popping. Let's do it. So the first thing, I'm going to go ahead. I got my cup for my little Ninja mixer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my ketchup. Get that in there. I'm going to add my Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, however you say it. Soy sauce. Vinegar. My mustard. Yeah. And my honey. Alright, get the honey out of there. Okay, and once I got that out the way, I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. And one more thing, I'm going to add some water. So I got about 3 tablespoons of water. Alright. Now, you want to go ahead and break out your skillet. Alright. We're going to get some butter, because what we're going to do is we're going to sweat the onions and sweat the garlic. But first, we're going to get a nice little butter flow going on. Add about 2 tablespoons right there. We got it on a medium heat. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to burn the butter, but we just want to brown it to get that nuttiness flow going on. Okay. Alright, so once you smell the nuttiness of the butter, then I'll let it go. It's fully melted. You don't want to burn the butter. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my onion. We're going to put this on a medium low so we can sweat the onion. We don't want to overcook the onion. And then after a few minutes, we're going to add our garlic. Oh yeah, it's coming along, y'all. Smelling real good. I also added my garlic. And we got this on a medium low, so you can see how we're sweating the onions. We're not burning them. We're not cooking them. A little bit of patience. Nice. Right, now that we got our onions and our garlic sweated down, butter, got the nutty flow going on, we're going to go ahead and get that into our mixing. Oh yeah, here we go, y'all. There we go, y'all. Now that everything's incorporated, let's blend, y'all. And the good thing about this Ninja joint, it do its own thing. Get a nice sauce. Boom. And there we go, y'all. That's all it takes. Oh yeah. We got our sauce. Oh yeah, y'all. There we go. We got our steak sauce ready and popping. Alright. Alright, so let's finish out the rest of this recipe. Get this thing plated on up, y'all. Let's do it. Okay, now, so I went ahead and got my same skillet that I was already using. Put another couple tablespoons of butter in there. Got my fresh corn right here. Ready to get this popping, y'all. Alright, now that we got the butter melted, we'll go ahead and put our corn in. Add a little bit of salt. And pepper. We're going to cook this for about 15 minutes. Alright, we got our corn done. Roasted, fried, nice. Get them in a pot. Let's get to our green beans, y'all. Okay, now got my pan cleaned up. We about to get the green beans popping, alright? First thing you always want to do, you always want to make sure your pan is hot first. So we're doing it on a medium heat. Add a couple teaspoons olive oil. There we go. Got my green beans clean, fresh, ready to go. Put them up in the pan. You want to go ahead and add your pinch of salt. About a quarter teaspoon of pepper. Get that incorporated. And we're going to cook these for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I want to go ahead and add my garlic, my minced garlic. Just a couple of garlic cloves. And I'm also going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. And we're going to go ahead and saute for another 5 minutes, alright? That easy, y'all. Keep our green beans crisp. Good. Oh yeah, smelling so good, man. I wish I could smell it. There we go, y'all. After 10 minutes, green beans is done. Look at that, y'all. Nice, crisp. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Let's get it. All right, we just want to set this to the side and keep it warm. Okay, so right when your vegetables is done and you got them on warm, you go ahead and take your steak out of the water bath, which I did. Took it out the bag. And look, I know it's looking real ugly now, but trust me, we about to put a sear on this, finish him on off. Alright, so you want to pat it dry. Alright, and get your pan out, preferably a cast iron, but if you don't have a cast iron, you could just a hot skillet. Okay, we need a real hot skillet. Alright, let's go. Got my pan nice and hot. Once you start seeing like the smoke coming off the pot, you know, put a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil in there. Like, you want to use a high heat point oil. Let's get it, y'all. And you want to sear this each side for about 4 minutes. All right. Sous vide, we got it perfectly cooked on the inside, good to go. Now we're gonna put a little bit of color on it. We'll be ready to plate this up, man. Let's go. All right, and at the same time, I went ahead and put my sauce in a pot just to keep it warm. So that's ready to go, our steak sauce. Let's do it. Here we go with our first flip. You can see that color, got a little bit of slight char on it. That's what we want, man. Be careful, cast iron could be hot. Look at that, y'all. Ice. Now, after we sear it on the other side, I'm going to put it in the pan and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all see that smoke coming off there? We getting a nice sear on it, y'all. Let's do it, man. Freestyle cooking with streets. We doing the butcher's cut today. Boom. Steak is done resting. I went ahead and cut it into 2 pieces because, you know, the hanger steak got like this little split right here. But as y'all can see, look at that. Done it's like I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and get some slices going. Oh yeah. And that's how you want to cut your slices, y'all. Just like that. Boom. And there we go, y'all. We got our hanger steak popping. That's what I'm talking about, man. Got our lemon garlic green beans. Got our fried corn, steak sauce. Oh yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. So you know what I'm about to do, man. You know, try it out. You know, go in. But you know, please subscribe, like, share. Hit that notification bell, man. Let me know if you tried this. Let me know what I can do. You know, let's just comment and holler at me, man. Let me know what y'all think. And I can't wait no longer, man. I'm about to get out of here. Holla.